Now I'm going to explain your sixth homework. Please do not forget that this is due on 4th of December at before 5 o'clock. You need to upload your homework. It's a two-part homework. Again, in the first part, I need you to prepare a section model for the building that we draw in our exercise 22nd. And for this model, I'm going to give you a drawing. You can either print it, cut the pieces, and use them as template to cut the necessary pieces for the model. You need to go to our website, the homeworks. Here you will see the drawing. When you click on this, you will get a zip folder named Maket Altlığı in Turkish. And when you unzip it, you will get a PDF file which you can use to print it. It's an A4 paper. It will be printed on an A4 paper, and it needs to be color printed. Or if you can have the same drawing in AutoCAD format, and you can take this file to somewhere where you can have the print out of AutoCAD. And I wrote the name here so that no one will be confused. You need to tell the guy who will do the printing that you are going to need an A4 paper, and it will be printed as 1/100 scale in Turkish 1/100 ölçek. This is important. Otherwise, your printing will be off scale. And if you want, instead of doing the cutting by yourself, you can take this last AutoCAD file to somewhere where you can get the laser cut and do the cutting with that laser cutting machine. And at the end, you will have a model like this, very similar to this. You will have that model. However, it will be in two pieces, cut from here. And when you open the PDF file, this is what you are going to see. It's an A4 drawing that you can print all an A4 sheet paper. And you will get all these numbered, different colored pieces. And you will get the same with this file as well. And once you print it, you need to buy a 2mm modeling board, maket kartonu, which we say in Turkish. And here you can use this lines to check if the printed drawing is on scale or off scale. You can bring a small set square with you, and once the printing is completed, you can measure these distances so you will understand. And once you print this, you need to glue it over this A4 2mm modeling board so that you can cut all these pieces one by one with a station knife. And here you can easily understand that all these pieces will have a place over here. Like when you combine all these pieces here, you will get your neighbor buildings. And when you use them, these pieces, and put them over here, you will get all the garden walls, things like that. Let's check them one by one. Here will be your main template, and there are explanations over this. You need to cut them like that, only the outer surfaces, and use the rest to position your other pieces and glue them over it. Like you will cut A1 and A2 here you need to place them over these areas and glue them. So you will get your sidewalks like that, like this. And there are explanations again. Once you finish the cutting, and when you glue them, you need to apply a little bit pressure so that you will have a 1.5 millimeter thickness instead of 2 millimeters. And all these pieces will be the garden walls. When you cut them, you need to place them vertically. And these pieces are the neighboring buildings, as we talked before. These will be the sides of your ground floor. And once you finish them, you need to cut these E1 and E2 completely from its edges, and they will be placed over these areas so that this will be your ground floor. And over your ground floor, you can place your stairs here. And over your ground floor, you can place your walls and your roof. As you can see, your roof has 3 pieces. And please do not forget that once you cut your roofs, it will be like this in the red drawing. However, it needs to be in the white one, so you can change it. You can get rid of these parts here, these parts here, so it will fit. You can do it with your station knife easily, so that it will fit like that. This is the same drawing in the AutoCAD file, or you can, as I told you, you don't need to do the cutting by yourself. You can take the last file to a laser cutting place, and I prepared everything, so you don't need to do anything, but you need to bring your 2 millimeter modeling board with you, so that the guy will place the modeling board, A4 2 millimeter modeling board, to the cutter, and you will get all these pieces. You need to take the last file with you, and this will be all. When you glue them, you will have the model. First, do the model, and then start doing the second part of your homework, which is after you finish the model, you need to hand-draft the BB section and west elevation of the same building using your usual drawing tools. And I want you to color your drawing, this time using watercolors, and you can have any colors you want. And I don't want you to redraw the plan. You can just use the same plan. You can cut the same plan and place it over a new A4 drawing paper with the header. You can place your plan here so that your BB section will be pointing this direction. You can easily draw your BB section here, and you can draw your west elevation, which is this facade here, to this part here. And this is what you need to submit at the end of your drawing. Yeah, this is the end.